Hey guys, Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road, Northeast, Suite 104. Today we're going to talk about Miele bags. We carry a lot of different variety of the bags, from the FJM, the K bags, the U bags, the GN bags. For Black Friday, we are having a discount as well as on the Miele's themselves and the servicing and all that kind of jazz that we got going on. We are actually going to be doing a sale on all the accessories, parts, bags, filters, up to 20% off on everything. So if you're in the process of getting onto the end of your filter, it's almost to the red line, it's completely blacked out on the other side, stop in, save a little bit of money. Black Friday, November 25th to the 27th. These are 16 bags with the HEPA filter. You're already saving for the bundle, and then on Black Friday you're going to get a little better deal as well. And then you're going to get a deal on all the GN bags, the 4-packs, the U's, the FJMs, the tools, the attachments, different things like that. So if you guys are looking to save some money and get all the accessories you need and stock up for the year, come see us November 25th to the 27th here at AceVacuums in Leesburg, Virginia, as well as in Fairfax, Virginia, to get all your cleaning needs and to save the money that you need. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Give us a call, 703-997-9292. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Happy holidays and stay safe. And remember, visit us at AceVacuums.